Marcus Manafo. I'm Professor of Biological Psychology at the University of Bristol, and I lead the University of Bristol's contribution to the CAPICE Project. We have two projects running at Bristol, both looking at the relationship between maternal health behaviours during pregnancy, whether the mother smoked or drank alcohol during pregnancy, and the relationship between that and the mental health of the child later in life. And the two projects will look, on the one hand, at whether or not those relationships represent a cause and effect relationship, whether those behaviours in pregnancy have a causal effect on the mental health of the child later in life, and in the second case, on whether DNA methylation can explain some of that relationship, whether marks on our DNA sequence that regulate gene activity influence the effects of those behaviours on those outcomes.
Hello, my name is Sebastian Lundström and I'm a licensed psychologist and an assistant professor in genetic epidemiology. My main research focus lies in the developmental trajectories of children with different psychopathologies. In this EU-funded project, CAPICE, where we aim to unravel the genetics and environmental factors behind childhood psychopathology, I am focusing, together with a doctoral student named Sabrina Doring, on the prediction of adverse outcomes in teenagers who display anxiety disorders. So our goal is to create a checklist that can be used in clinical settings in order to detect the children or teenagers who are at most risk for developing severe psychiatric outcomes like major mental disorders, psychotic disorders, depressive disorders, and similar other malfunctioning. We will also look at functional outcomes like sick leave or being unemployed or be more liable to, be more prone to get into accidents. Yes, thank you.
Hi, my name is Ralf Kujalkula. I'm a statistician and work with psychiatric epidemiology in Karolinska Institutet in Stockholm, Sweden. In the CAPICE consortium, an EU-funded consortium, I am, together with my PhD student Ashley Thompson, focusing on predicting which individuals with ADHD that fare worse throughout their lives. And the main reason for us being interested in being able to predict individuals who will encounter problems throughout life is that we have an intervention that has been proven to be largely effective, meaning that individuals with ADHD problems could be helped by medication and other interventions, and thus have a lower probability of getting severe outcomes throughout life.
Hi, I'm Stephanie van der Berg. I'm an associate professor at the University of Twente. I'm specialized in research methodology and particularly psychometrics. And I'm very proud to be part of this CAPICE project funded by the EU. I'm the supervisor of the ESR Kratika Agrawal, and together with her we're going to harmonize all the phenotypes across countries. So what does that mean? We have so many different groups and so many different data sets, and what we're trying to do is that everybody's on the same page regarding what particular trait in children we are studying. So for that we're going to use a lot of psychometric analyses, and we're very fond of data analysis, so that's what we do. That we do best and what we really like to do. So we're very happy.
Hi, I'm Sarah Bergen, and I'm delighted to be part of the CAPICE consortium and to be main supervisor for ESR Marca León. So all of the projects that we'll be doing are related to major depressive disorder, including the risk factors for it, such as genetic risk factors and environmental ones, such as inflammation and childhood adversity, and also the consequences of major depression, such as some of the comorbid somatic outcomes can result from it. And we will also look at the heterogeneity within major depressive disorder and use some of these characteristics to subtype patients.
I'm Meike Bartels. I'm a professor in genetics and well-being at the Department of Biological Psychology at the Vrije Universiteit. And I'm the co-coordinator together with Crystal Middeldorp of this EU-funded CAPICE project. And in this project we focus to understand the differences in psychopathology in children better, to help those who suffer. Within this project I'm also the supervisor of 2 PhD students that mainly focus on the genetics of internalizing behavior and attention problems. And I'm really delighted to be able to train the next generation of researchers, and I'm very much looking forward to work with them over the coming years.